We are up for next activity for our circle time, and then circle time will be all done.
No, circle time. It's not any circle time anymore. No circle time.
Look at the sun.
Oh no, you can't.
I like sun because it reminds me of summer where I can eat ice cream. Do you like ice cream?
Yeah.
Me too. I love ice cream in the summertime. Can we eat ice cream in winter too? No, it's so cold. We can't eat that.
Ice creams will get cold.
Yeah, I don't want to eat cold ice cream in winter, but I would love to eat ice cream in the summertime and so hot outside.
And eat all ice cream.
That's right. Look at here this. What do we have to do in this activity?
Ice cream will cool. Very soon, ice cream will get cold.
Yeah, ice cream will get cold. You are right.
Billy says ice cream will get cold.
Yeah.
Listen to the word. What is the first sound in the word?
S.
S. Should I click S?
Yes.
Very good. This is what?
Sun.
Sun.
Yeah.
S.
Sun. Awesome. You are doing so good. I think.
N is for nut.
N is for nut. I think you are so good at this. It's a mud.
She's dipped in the mud.
What is the first sound?
And Elsa dipped in the mud.
Ew, the boots got dirty too.
Mud.
She's
D.
She's a
What
girl.
is the first?
She's a girl.
Okay, what's the first sound of mud? C or M?
M.
Let's see. You got it. What is this?
You have she
Mop.
She put she spilled the water.
Oh no. Somebody spilled the water. So now she has to mop it. Mop. What is the first sound in the word?
M.
M. Brilliant.
Beach.
Tub.
The
B.
tub. What is more?
What is the?
Listen to the word. What is the first sound in the word?
What is she talking?
She's saying find the first sound in the word.
Tub.
Tub.
What?
B.
First sound. T. B.
T.
T. You got it. You are so smart. Terrific. What's that? He's hitting.
Hit. It.
Hit. T.
Listen to the word. What is the first sound in the word?
First sound.
Hit. It.
What is the first sound? Highlighter?
Highlight.
What is the first sound? R or H?
Hit. It.
What's the first sound?
Hit.
First sound is H.
It.
H.
H.
Correct. Ooh, do you know what that is?
This is a web.
It's a web. You are so smart.
Web. B.
What is the first sound in the word?
W.
W. You got it. Good work. How do you think he's looking?
Mad. D.
Man, this was her dad is feeling mad.
He's feeling so mad.
Listen to the word. What is the first sound in the word? Mad.
I'm mad.
D.
W or M?
But her dad is mad.
I know, mad. What is the first sound in
Look,
mad?
it's a dog. It's a dog.
Where is dog?
There.
I didn't see a dog. That's a man. Okay, can you tell me the first sound?
Her dad is mad.
Yeah.
M.
M, you got it. You're so smart. What is this?
Good morning.
Fin.
Fin.
It.
It's Finn.
What is the first sound?
F.
F. X is f. Listen to the word. What's the first sound?
Hen.
Hand.
E. N.
Hand.
What's the first sound?
Hand.
H, W or L?
H.
H. Let's submit. Wonderful. What is that?
Cat.
Cat. C.
A.
That you know. Very good. What is this?
Dog. D.
D. This is D. Got it. Ooh, look.
B.
Bat. Fantastic. What's that?
What's that?
Pot.
It's a pot.
Ah.
Pot.
What's the first sound? What's the first sound?
Pot. Ah.
Pot.
V.
What's the first sound?
Pot.
Tell me, Ria.
V.
What's the first sound?
Pot.
Pot. Ah.
Is it V or P?
P.
P. Ooh, we are all done. Now we can sing. Circle time is.
Now can you
Circle
turn on?
time is done.
Look, turn on. Look.
Yeah, circle time is over. Hope you had some fun. Bye bye.
No, only